Okay guys, I've got a little package here that arrived from Poland, and let's get into it. You know, I used to order from Super Hobby before what's his name got into office and created all these problems, and they never charged me customs, but now they do. Anyway, this is from Super Hobby in Poland. And on top of the original cost, I had to pay $20 in customs, which I never used to have to do. Anyways, what we got here...
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
...is a couple of figures for my motorcycle guys. Right on. So this one is from a company called Galaxy. And again, I would remind everybody, don't buy on eBay from China, you know, forgeries and pirate versions of these figures, because you know what? They're usually just crap anyway. Like the casting or whatever, it's just garbage. And you're stealing from the original artists. So I'm just ripping in that because I don't particularly give a hoot about it. The packaging at this point. Wow, look at that, eh? 3D printed. Very cool. I didn't realize it was 3D printed. Neat. Okay, well, we'll have to take a look at that one more closely. And then we got this one from Royal Model. And this is a guy having a cigarette in the sidecar. So that's cool. All right, well, we'll take a closer look at that later. And then we got this one because I screwed up my other one because I couldn't figure out this from the instructions. It was just so unclear. So I don't know. We'll have to give it another shot, I guess. So anyways, that's just a quick little show. Okay. So the attachment points look pretty tiny. I'm going to be very careful removing this though. Oh shit, I just broke the rifle. Oh well, I wonder if I should use one of these. Boing! That just flew off somewhere. Oh man, that sucks. I gotta tell you, I really love the detail on this. I'm gonna have to maybe scratch a bolt here because I broke it. It's so fine. Nice cutout in the cuff there. The hands look pretty awesome. The detail around these parts, like the belt and this Gaulicker or whatever, however you call that, Gauliter. The goggles look great. The face detail looks like a normal human being. I think this is what I'm going. I think I'm going to have to order more of these. So these points have a bit of a dimple inside, like an inner dimple, but they put it on the back. So once you get a layer of something on there, maybe they'll disappear. You can see there's a bit of dimples right there, like pock marks or pimples. But the rest of it looks pretty damn good, don't you think? Look at that. Perfect. Damn it. Wow, the detail on this is amazing. Hmm. Like, look at that. It's just so good. There's a few little supports I have to get rid of, but I'll deal with that later. I would have to say that these Galaxy ones are better than a couple other ones that I've gotten. There's another company called Sol, and I have 3 of their figures, but they seem a little softer in detail. Well, this Galaxy stuff seems a lot more crisp, where the Sol ones are. They don't seem so crisp. Anyways, that looks lovely, doesn't it? Look at how thin on the food container thing there is. And the rim of the helmet is awesome. Yeah, if you're gonna buy a figure for your motorcycle, this is the company to go for, I would say. I don't know, this one, the legs are sticking out kind of in a odd way. I guess I'll have to see it in place. Yeah, they give you a little card with all the painting details. I don't know, I think that's a KS. A Zundap 750. Alright, let's take it out. Now, is he going through a puddle? Is that why his legs are up like that? I can't imagine why his legs are so wide, but maybe they had a reference. I really like this resin that this company used. I have some figures from Seoul, from Korea, and the figures are good, but I say this is the top notch. This is the upper limit of a figure for your motorcycles. Like I say, I like this resin. It seems to not be so, I don't know. It breaks off nicely with the supports. Yeah, I'm really digging this. It's kind of fun breaking these things off. Now, there's nothing too delicate on here that I have to worry about. That's why I'm kind of being a little bit brutal with it. There. Yeah, this is awesome. This is the company Galaxy. I recommend it compared to any others. Wow. Neat. All right, so let's take a look. I think I'll have to clean his mouth out. There's something going on there. Look at the detail in the ammo packs here. It's just very nice. Look at that belt buckle in there. Yeah, really nice helmet. It's got that sort of rim along the edge. Yeah, I'm very happy with this one. Although it's kind of weird that way he's posed.